Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money with First Bank in 2025. With the latest updates, transferring money has never been simpler or more secure. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending cash to family, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, before you start, ensure you have the First Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. You'll need a stable internet connection and your login details handy for security reasons. Oh, and remember, in 2025, First Bank has rolled out enhanced features like biometric authentication, so keep that in mind for a smoother experience. Step 1. Open the First Bank app and log in using your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. If you're on the website, head to firstbank.com and sign in securely. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments tab on the main dashboard. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 3. Choose the type of transfer. For internal transfers to another First Bank account, select that option. For external transfers, you'll need the recipient's bank details, like account number and routing info. Step 4. Enter the recipient's information accurately. Double-check names, account numbers, and any additional details to avoid errors. Step 5. Input the amount you want to transfer and add a memo or reference if needed. This helps with tracking. Step 6. Review everything on the summary page. Look out for any fees, especially with the 2025 updates that might include faster processing options. Step 7. Authorize the transaction using your PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. You'll get an instant confirmation notification once it's complete. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money. A quick tip. Always monitor your account for any unusual activity and check for promotional offers in 2025 that could waive fees. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.